In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Montirex discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Montirex discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called voucher codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 10% discount off your next order, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says get code, and here is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this one in order to get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website which is called wildyellow.co.uk. And right here on this website, we also have some deals and promo codes, as you can see, that we can use for some discount. So, for example, if you want to get this one right here with 15% discount, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says view the offer, and for this one, there is no coupon code required. So all you need to do is just go to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.